You cannot play with me unless you blow me. What am I?
I cannot play with me unless you... Oud? Oud?
They ask me 2 questions, I never know, you know.
Yeah, man. Hey. Who are going to peeps that don't know your boy Jnel back at it again with the next episode of the question, people, and don't know right now, but they are Spanish Town. You see me, one of the most anticipated place. They are Spanish Town right now with the general are going easy. You get me? So this is episode 2. You don't know season 4. Spanish Town, me. You see me? Yeah. So, may I get right into it right now? Right into it. General, what you say? You ready now, my general?
Yeah. More.
Yeah, the girl a ball out for more.
Name more.
Yeah, my boss. So the first thing I want you do, just give me a name.
Yeah, Travis.
Travis.
Yeah, Travis, you know.
So you run the little cologne.
No, actually a company where I work for, you see me I say? Yeah, man.
You
So,
the company and thing, man?
Caribbean Green, you know?
Caribbean what?
Green.
Green.
Yeah.
Man, may I tell you? Eh? Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I'm in Rebel, man.
Rebel.
Yeah, from Spanish Town.
You know it's Neil make the girl them squeal. You don't know so Neil make the girl them squeal.
I have to introduce you, man. Yo, just introduce yourself, brother.
You know, I come to the whole world, you know. You don't know what you know? It come like a satellite thing now. Good afternoon. Great strategy is in Spanish Town right now. Parental guide. A little girl was coming down from school when she overheard her talking in the bush saying, "Hey girl, you go like you don't want to give me no sex." The little girl which run go home and said, "Mommy, what is sex?" You know some mother who don't like tell children the truth. Oh dear, sex is just a thing that take you across the river and take you back. One day she and her mother went by the river to get a boat ride. She didn't forget the thing her mother told her. She reached run go over to the man and said, Mr. D, how much you charge for sex? Me, my mother, my father and the dog across the river. The man said, look up at me, listen to me. I will sex you and your mother, but your father can sex the dog for free.
My name is Tasha.
Angel. Alicia.
A Prince, my name, you know.
Prince.
Yeah, Prince, my name.
So, oh, you said the lyrics go you now?
Yeah, that music kind of my brother, may I tell you more. You got a ball out for more, you know? Yeah. You know? Yeah, more with name, you know my brother?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Where you go?
God have mercy. It name more. You the gal a ball out for more, two more. You the gal a ball out for more, it name more. You the gal a ball out for more, two more. You the gal a ball out for more.
Doing.
Yeah. Big up Wise Choice Records and Hummingbird Car Rental and Services. Yeah. Wise Choice Car Rental and Services.
Unruly Queen. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Unruly Queen 242.
Chrissy.
Walk up on the bed, walk up on the floor, walk up on the window, walk up on the door, walk up on the sea, walk up on the shore, walk on the boat, overboard, more, two more. You the gal a ball out for more, name more. You the gal a ball out
For more.
name more.
Yeah, the gal a ball out for more.
Name more.
Yeah, the gal a ball out for more.
We are traveling a plane, she still want more. We are traveling on a ship, she still want more. We are traveling a truck, she still want more. We are traveling a bus, she still want more. We are traveling a van.
Jake one. Brooks. Sean.
She still want more.
We are traveling a car, she
Still want more.
We are traveling on a bike, still want more. From a bicycle bar, she
Still want
more, two more. You the gal a ball out for more, name more. You the gal a ball out for more, two more. You the gal a ball out for more, name more. You the gal a ball out for more. Well, a girl said that them want more. Even Miss World said that she love more. Even Miss World said that she love more, two more. You the gal a ball out for more.
Yeah, the gal a ball out for more. More. John mother have 3 kids, right? April, May. What's the name of the third one?
Hold on.
So John man have 3 kids, one named April, one named May.
What's the name of the third one?
What do you name of the third one?
Yeah.
We have a trick question that I'll come out with you. Yes, I say it, me right, June.
Can you repeat?
John mother have 3 kids, right? One name April, one name May. What's the name of the third one?
June. Yes, sir.
Who have 3 kids?
Eh?
Who have 3 kids?
John mother.
John mother have 3 kids.
Yeah. One name April, one name May. What's the name of the third one?
June.
June.
June?
Eh?
June?
June. What?
Eh?
Yeah, June.
No, God!
June.
June.
Sure.
1 year April, May. June.
John. John.
Tell us, man, the ramping, man. Jesus Christ, yo.
John.
June. June.
John.
Jano. John mother have 3 kids. 1 year April, 1 year May. Right now to the full 800. Another one name. You just say June. You get me? January, February, March, April, May, June.
What can you swallow that can also swallow you?
I can swallow. Alright, what can you swallow can also swallow you?
Yeah.
What can you swallow?
Yeah.
That can also swallow you.
Yeah.
Water one.
Yeah?
Water.
Water.
Yeah, car. You can drink and swallow water. But if you are Joe now, you in a spinning hole.
Water swallow you.
Water swallow you.
Boy, I'm not going to tell a lie. The one they get to my brains. Right now, I tell you something I go on TV land. You say if the thing I puzzle your brains, don't try to make your brains strain.
Hey!
I last one this.
Oh, can I swallow me now? Can you swallow?
That can also swallow you.
Bro, not
You say?
now, go to my.
You know that one?
Not now.
Yo, that one is difficult.
You say, what can you swallow, you know? What can also swallow you?
That one is difficult, Jen.
You say, you give up on that one?
What can I swallow? They can also swallow me. Let's see, man. You see, you can swallow you, man.
You see?
Yeah, man.
And it can also swallow you. You can name a young shark. And shark can swallow you. So I don't know. You can name a young shark, you know. And your shark can swallow you, you know.
It's a shark.
A shark, me say.
You swallow. Can always swallow you. Them questions are too tricky, man. What can you swallow?
That can also swallow you.
Water.
What can you swallow that can also swallow you?
What can also swallow me?
Yeah.
Also.
Eh?
Also. Alright, you catch me with that one then.
What can swallow?
What can you swallow that can also swallow you?
Swallow me. Shark?
That's a fish. Fish.
Yo, pass in a car.
Water.
Pride.
Pride, the number one answer still. You cannot play with me unless you blow me. What am I?
You cannot play with me unless you blow me. Oh, that one that sound rough though.
You cannot play with me unless you blow me. What am I?
Balloon, man.
Balloon.
Yeah.
A balloon. A balloon.
Balloon, so you say
No, we don't say
Balloon. Balloon.
Whistle.
Whistle.
Balloon. Whistle.
You cannot play with me unless you blow me. What am I?
I cannot play with me unless you... Oud? Oud?
You cannot play with me unless you blow me. What am I?
All about this, son. I swear to God, in a real life, they say you cannot play with me unless you blow me. Yeah. I don't really know that chap there about what I know. Any girl that play with me, I will blow me third God. Because my third God not sad. You easily get stiff when I go so. I'm blow. You see me? But what you say again, my boss? Because I need to know what I'm going on. Because I'm high right now. Because when you talk about blows again, I talk about it, because once she played me, she have to blow me. Talk to me now, my boss.
Here you go. You cannot play with me unless you blow me. What am I?
Yo, watch out now. I swear to God. You see the answer there? Me I tell you, say, the answer there have to be a balloon. Me an industry youth. And so to the full 800, not because I hear me drop a bomb and drop a question. Because me have a drop a bomb, that's you understand. Because watch out now, if I get a play with me right now, she have to blow. Is it? But watch your badness. Once me a play with a little sitting, I have to blow you, I must have a balloon. A bad man no go low. You know.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of the question. Yeah, Jenna. Mommy says she want her bag. She a ball for her bag. See your bag, mommy. Yeah, so you don't know people, thanks for watching. You don't know, like, share and also subscribe. When you subscribe, click notification bell, you see me? When you click notification bell, you don't know you get update or everything. You get me? I say, yeah. So you don't know Spanish Town was a vibe. As you notice the answer them the normal, you get me? I say. So thanks for watching, peeps. Follow me on Instagram, Jnel official_1. You don't know, say Claude A. Watkis. The day you get to me, I say, you don't know, you gotta follow that person right now, Tomar. You get to me, I say, my family that. You see me, I got up on the screen right. So Tomar, promise move. So thanks for watching, peeps. You don't know your boy Jnel was a vibe. You get to me, I say, and right now, I'm tired. I want to go edit, because you don't know 5 hours of editing this. You get to me, I say, Jnel, I don't even know what to say, but thanks for watching, peeps. You don't know your boy Jnel. And I'm out.